We're going to do a short review of how to do synthetic division. Specifically here, we're going to do this so we can find oblique asymptotes. So here's the first expression we'll look at. Notice the degree of the top is 1 degree bigger than the bottom. That's a requirement to do the vertical asymptote, or the horizontal asymptotes. If it's 1 degree bigger than the denominator, we will then use synthetic division. So a reminder of how that works: we use only the coefficients. You have to make sure that each variable is accounted for. So we have squareds, x to the first, and then x to the 0, so they're all there. So we take the coefficients, 3, 2, and 5. And since we're going to divide by x plus 2, we're going to use as -2 as the number we divide by. So the first thing that happens is that 3 comes straight down. The next thing we'll do is multiply -2 times 3. That'll give us -6. Then again we add. 2 plus -6 is -4. Then we multiply once again. -2 times -4 gives 8. Finally we add, and we get a remainder of 13. So that would be 13 over x plus 2. For the oblique asymptote, all we're concerned with is the quotient, not the remainder. So the equation of my oblique asymptote would be y equals 3x minus 4. The remainder is 13 over x plus 2, but as x gets extremely large, 13 over x plus 2 will approach 0, so we don't need to be concerned with that. So the equation y equals 3x minus 4 would be our oblique asymptote. Another example, we will divide x cubed minus 64 by x minus 4. Again, we need to account for all of the variables. So we have 1x cubed, no x squareds, no x's, and then a -64. We're dividing by x minus 4, so the number we use is going to be +4. The process again is to bring the 1 straight down, multiply 4 times 1, that's 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 0 is 16. 4 times 16 is 64. And then finally, for our remainder, we get a remainder of 0. What that means is that x minus 4 divides evenly into x cubed minus 64. And when I factor that out, I would be left with x squared plus 4x plus 16. The last example we'll look at is x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5. We're going to divide by x minus 3. So again, using the coefficients and leaving a spot for the missing variables, we have 1x cubed minus 4x squared, 0 x's, and minus 5. In this case, x minus 3 is what we're dividing by, so we will put a 3 here. And now follow the algorithm. So we'll bring down the 1. 3 times 1 is 3. -4 plus 3 is -1. 3 times -1 is -3. 0 plus -3 is -3. 3 times -3 is -9. And finally, for our remainder, we get -14. So if you divide the numerator by the denominator, you are left with x squared minus x minus 3, with a remainder of -14 over x minus 3.